Freestyle kicks with rolls are a foundational swim skill. They set the stage for side breathing in freestyle and safe rescue rolls after pool injuries. Explain to your swimmers that when they roll from their back to their stomach, they should stay flat like a pancake. That means keeping their head aligned with their body and not lifting it up during the rotation. Swimmers will work on streamlined kicks with a roll to their back for a breath over a distance of 12.5 yards. Start by having the swimmers pushing off the wall in streamlined position. After kicking for about 5 to 6 yards, cue them to roll to a back float and take a breath. Once they've taken a controlled, relaxed breath, prompt them to roll back onto their stomach and continue kicking. After another 5 to 6 yards, they'll roll again for one more breath before finishing the 12.5-yard drill. When first teaching this sequence, assist swimmers into the back float by gently placing your hands on their shoulders and helping guide their rotation. Many swimmers will instinctively lift their heads to breathe. Helping them rotate properly allows you to correct their position and cue better technique in real time. As swimmers prepare to return to the wall, move closer to reduce the distance they need to swim, especially since they may be a bit fatigued. Avoid asking them to roll on the return trip. This prevents any accidental head bumps against the wall.